Hello viewers and listeners. Welcome again to Salida TeleRadyo Eskwela. Today is another episode full of learning and fun here in School on Air. I'm your radio host, Teacher Leonila Pacres from La Filipina National High School. Before we proceed mga kaastig, I would like to inform you that we can also be heard in La Filipina National High School Facebook page. And with our partner radio station, 98.3 Gold FM, Kuya Wano. This time, we will explore another topic in TLE Grade 10. Mother sauces. For those who are willing and interested to learn, you are very much welcome to join us. And now, are you ready, Kastig? Great! Let us welcome our teacher broadcaster, Ma'am Lowerly Paman.
Hello and good day, students. Welcome to Salida TeleRadyo Eskwela. Prepare yourself because I will be delivering another fun-filled topic in TLE Grade 10 Cookery. Our objectives at the end of the lesson: first, identify basic sauces and its ingredients. Second, familiarize secondary sauces from basic ingredients. Last, value the importance of sauces for a menu item. Before we start with our discussion, let us have a guessing game. Guess the name of the food. You have 5 seconds to answer. When you hear this sound, it means time is up. Are you ready, students? Let's start. It is a dish made of stuck layers of thin flat pasta, alternately with filling. It has 7 letters. It starts with letter L and ends with letter A. Third letter is S and fifth letter is G. The food is lasagna. The next food is, it is commonly served during birthday occasion. It is yummy, one of the favorite food of the kids. It has 9 letters. It starts with letter S, H is the 5th letter and end with letter I. The food is spaghetti. Very good, students. Do you like spaghetti and lasagna? Why? Yes, because of its yummy sauce. What is sauce? Sauce is a flavorful liquid with thickener and various flavoring and seasoning. Gitawag na siya sa kumulo, gitawag na sa tuwa og sarsa. Ginagamit natin ang sauce para mas lalong mapasarap ang isang pagkain. Sauce is one of the important component of a dish. Why? Because sauce adds moisture, especially to a dry dish. It enhances the appearance of the food because it gives brightness and shiny appearance. It enriches also the taste, the flavor, and texture of the food. There are 5 mother sauce. What is mother sauce? Refers to any of the basic sauces which are the starting points for making various secondary sauce or small sauce. So in making a secondary sauce, our starting point is the basic sauce. They are called mother sauce because each one is like the head of its own unique family of sauces. First basic sauce is the bechamel. Bechamel is made by thickening hot milk with a simple roux. What are the ingredients in making a bechamel? Very good, students. The ingredients are milk and roux. Milk is our liquid base and roux is our thickening agent. And what is roux? Roux is a cooked mixture of equal parts of weight of fat and flour. So in making a roux student, you cook the butter in a saucepan using a low heat, then stirring constantly using a wire whisk until cooked. We have three types of a roux. First, white roux. White roux, cook enough to cook a raw taste of the flour. Number 2, the blonde roux. Cook a little longer to a slightly darker color. Number 3, the brown roux. Cook to a lightly brown color and nutty flavor. These three types of roux are using same ingredients, same process of cooking, but they differ in the cooking time. Kung napansin ninyo, increasing ang cooking time sa paggawa ng roux. The white roux is for bechamel sauce, the blonde roux is for velote, and the brown roux is for the Espanol or tinatawag natin na brown sauce. How to make bechamel? So in making a bechamel, you melt the butter and stir flour and cook using a saucepan, then low heat. Stirring constantly, you add the milk and continue to stir until the sauce thicken. Then you can season it. We have example of a sauce, secondary sauce from the bechamel. First is the mornay. So in the mornay, our starting point is the bechamel. Then enhance the bechamel with grated cheese. So that is mornay. One of the example of secondary sauce from the bechamel sauce. Another example is the soubise. So, in making a soubise, the starting point is the bechamel, then enhance it with onion. Again, students, the mornay and the soubise are example of secondary sauce from the bechamel. The bechamel sauce is best for pasta and creamy soup. Number 2 basic sauce is the velote. Velote is made by thickening white stock with roux. What are the ingredients, students, in making a velote? Very good. The ingredients are the stock and a roux. Stock is our liquid base and our thickening agent is the roux. So when we say stock is a simmering liquid of the bones of the fish, poultry, or meat. In making a velote, we can use fish stock. We can use chicken stock and veal stock. How to make velote? Okay, so you melt the butter in a saucepan using low heat. Stir the flour and cook until blonde color. Add slowly the stock, whisk, and let it come back to a gently boil each time you add the stock. Then, once done, season with salt and pepper. Example of secondary sauce from the velote. We have the supreme sauce. So, for the supreme sauce, our starting point is the chicken velote. Then enhance this with cream. Another, the almond sauce. So for the almond sauce, the starting point is the velote. Thicken with or enhance it with egg yolk, heavy cream, seasoned with lemon juice. Another example of the secondary sauce from the velote is the white wine sauce. So for the white wine sauce, fish velote is our starting point and enhance it with wine, white wine, and heavy cream. Again, students, the supreme sauce, the almond sauce, and the white wine sauce are example of secondary sauce from the velote. The velote is used for meat and vegetable dishes. Okay, let's proceed to the third basic sauces. Espanol or brown sauce, made by thickening brown stock with roux. Espanol is similar to velote, but the difference is that Espanyol is made with tomato puree and merpois for different color and flavor. What is merpois? Merpois is a coarsely parts of the carrots, celery, and onion. Then, brown stock. Brown stock is made by browning first the bones of the meat before simmering to add flavor and color of the sauce. How to make Espanyol? So, you melt the butter in a saucepan using low heat. You add the merpois and saute until brown color. Stir the flour into the merpois until it forms thick paste. Add stock and tomato puree slowly using wire whisk. Simmer until it reduced by about 1/2. Then, strain the sauce. Example of secondary sauce from the Espanyol. We have the demi-glace. So for the demi-glace, our starting point is the Espanyol. Then you add beef stock, herbs, and spices that reduce to a heavy gravy-like consistency. Another example is the Robert. So for the Robert sauce, our starting point is the Espanyol. Then enhance the Espanyol with lemon juice, dry mustard, white wine, and onion. Again, the Robert and the demi-glace are the secondary sauce from the Espanyol. The Espanyol used for beef, duck, and other dark meat. Number 4 basic sauces is the classic tomato sauce. Classic tomato sauce, modern tomato sauces, primarily consists of pureed tomatoes seasoned with herbs and reduced into rich, flavorful sauce. Example of a secondary sauce from the classic tomato sauce, we have the Algerian. So for the Algerian sauce, the starting point is the tomato sauce, then enhance it with green and red bell pepper. So, atsan na siya ang tawag. Another example is the marinara. So, for marinara sauce, our starting point is the tomato sauce, then enhanced with garlic, onion, and herbs. Again, the Algerian, the marinara are example of secondary sauces from the tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is used in pasta, roast, stew, vegetables, and egg dishes. The last basic sauce is the hollandaise. Hollandaise, it is an emulsified sauce made from clarified butter, egg yolk, and acid. Okay, students, what are the ingredients in making hollandaise? Very good. The ingredients are clarified butter, egg yolk, and acid. Clarified butter is our liquid base, and the egg yolk is our thickening agent. For the acid, you can use vinegar and lemon juice. The acid helps coagulate the egg during the process in making a hollandaise. How to make hollandaise? So you beat the egg yolk with lemon juice. You can also add salt and cayenne pepper. Slowly stream the melted butter into the egg yolk mixture while whisking. Then, you heat the mixture into the microwave oven for 15 seconds. Then, remove from the microwave oven and whisk. Kung wala kayong microwave oven, you can use a double boiler. Example of secondary sauce from the hollandaise. We have the Maltese. So, for the Maltese, our starting point is the hollandaise, then enhanced with orange juice. Another is the mousseline. Our starting point is the hollandaise, then enhanced with whipped heavy cream. Again, students, the Maltese and the mousseline are example of secondary sauce from the hollandaise. The hollandaise is best for egg benedict, poultry, fish, and vegetable dishes. So again, students, the 5 basic sauces. First is the bechamel. Second, velote. Third, Espanol. Fourth, classic tomato sauce. And the last one is the hollandaise. These basic sauces are the starting point in making a secondary sauce or tinatawag na small sauce or tinatawag din itong derivative sauces. Okay, this time students, prepare yourself for an evaluation to check your learning. The evaluation is composed of 2 parts. For the first part, identify the basic sauce of the following ingredients. You have 5 seconds to answer of each item. When you hear the sound, it means time is up. Are you ready, students? Let's start. Number 1. Clarified butter plus egg yolk plus acid. The answer is hollandaise. Number 2. Milk plus roux. The answer is bechamel. Number 3. Stock plus roux. The answer is velote. Number 4. Brown stock plus brown roux. The answer is Espanol or brown sauce. For the second part, listen carefully and select letter of the correct answer. You have 5 seconds to answer of each item. When you hear the sound, it means time is up. Are you ready, students? Let's continue. Number 5. Which liquid base is used in making bechamel? A. Milk. B. Stock. C. Clarified butter. Time is up. If your answer is A. Milk, then you are correct. Question number 6. Which thickener is used in making velote? A. Brown roux. B. White roux. C. Blonde roux. Time's up. If your answer is C. Blonde roux, then you are correct. Question number 7. Which is a secondary sauce from hollandaise? A. Maltese. B. Robert. C. Mornay. Time is up. If your answer is A. Maltese, then you are correct. Question number 8. The following are the secondary sauce from velote except A. Supreme sauce. B. Allemande sauce. C. Marinara. Time is up. If your answer is letter C. Marinara, then you are correct. Question number 9. Why sauce is important in our food? A. It enhances the taste and appearance of the food. B. It adds moisture. C. All of this. Time is up. If your answer is C. All of this, then you are correct. Last question. Which sauce is made by thickening brown stock with roux? A. Espanol. B. Classic tomato sauce. C. Hollandaise. Time is up. If your answer is A. Espanol, then you are correct. How's your score, students? Great! Congratulations to those who got a perfect score. Sa mga may mababa ang score, don't feel bad. Bawi tayo next time, okay? Here's your assignment. Search in the internet one recipe of secondary sauce or small sauce of each basic sauces. Write in a sheet of paper and submit it on or before May 14, 2021. Observe time consciousness in submission of your output. Thank you, students, for participating in the activity. I hope you learn a lot from our lesson today and you can use that in your daily life. This is your teacher on air, Lorelie Paman, saying goodbye and God bless.
That was great! Amazing! Thank you so much, Ma'am Lore. To our viewers and listeners, thank you for listening. I hope that you learned a lot with our topic today. See you next time. Have a nice day.